Your imagination is your limitation with HogOn LLC. I wanted to say that because in this generation, it tends to see that a lot of people don't use their imaginations like they should. It's like we leave our imaginations when we're a child, where we like to draw and imagine things, and then we grow up and then just face life and feel like we have to set all these limits on our lives due to what we stay at or the resources we have or the education that we have. So with HogOn, my goal is to break that chain, is to actually show you that your imagination is your limitation, that there is no limit to what you can do. You set the limits on your own production and on what you can do with your life. So with my life and with HogOn Welding, we wanted to live by example. We wanted to teach others by doing just that. We wanted to create things that we imagine. We wanted to have our own personalized products that we provide. We wanted to be able to help the market with services and also educate others and help encourage others to know that there is no limitations. You literally set the limitation for your life. So if you really understand what it means to have an imagination, think like a child, literally. Think like a child. Think big and don't set no limitations on yourself. And that's what we want to do with HogOn, with our welding, with our fabrication, and with our service calls, even with our outreach and when we talk to others and go out and to encourage the community. We want to be able to break that chain of people setting limits on their life. Don't look at just being a welder. Look at having a trade that would one day turn into a business. HogOn.